Hey, this is Detta Larson and Giovanni Carney presenting our GMO project on sweet corn. Alright, so, what is your GMO? Genetically modified sweet corn is a type of corn that has been altered through biotechnology to enhance certain traits. The main modification involves inserting a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacterium found in nature. This gene enables the corn to produce proteins that are toxic to specific pests, like the European corn borer. These proteins do not harm humans, animals, or beneficial insects, making this modification both efficient and selective.
When and why was it created? Sweet corn was first introduced in the late 1990s, driven by the need to control destructive pests in corn crops. Corn is a major agriculture crop, and pests like the European corn borer have been causing significant damage for years. Before GMOs, farmers used large amounts of these chemicals, lower environment pollution, and make farming practices more sustainable by introducing natural pest resistance. Farmers can protect their crops without using as many harmful chemicals.
What issues does it address? The biggest issue GMO sweet corn addresses is crop damage caused by insects. The European corn borer, for example, can cause significant yield losses, affecting the quality and quantity of the corn. In traditional farming, farmers needed to apply multiple insecticide treatments throughout the growing season to protect the crops. This not only increases the cost of farming, but also leads to pesticide residues on the food and environmental contamination. But sweet corn reduces the need for these treatments, leading to fewer chemicals in the environment and healthier crops overall.
3 benefits to society. Number 1, reduced pesticide use. One of the major benefits of sweet corn is the reduction in the use of chemical insecticides. Since the corn produces its own pest-resistant proteins, it's less reliant on external pesticides. This is not only decreasing pesticide residues on food, but also reduces the environmental impact of farming, leading to cleaner air, water, and soil. Number 2, higher crop yields. With pests less likely to damage the corn, farmers can expect higher yields. Less pest damage means that more corn reaches the market, also means contributing to more stable food supply. Farmers also benefit from this increase in yield as they can produce more crops with fewer resources. Number 3, healthier food supply. By reducing the use of pesticides, consumers are less exposed to harmful chemicals. The reduced chemical input also means that the food we consume is potentially safer, contributing to public health.
2 possible concerns/risks to society. Resistance in pets. One concern is that over time, pests may develop resistance to Bt protein. This could lead to an arms race where farmers have to use more powerful insecticides while current strategies are in place to delay resistance. It remains a challenge that needs continuous monitoring and management. Cross-pollination with non-GMO crops. Another issue is the potential for cross-pollination between GMO and non-GMO corn. This can make it harder for organic farmers to maintain pure, non-GMO crops. While cross-pollination can be minimized with proper farming practices, it's a concern for those who prefer non-GMO, or organic food.
Our sources: National Academy of Sciences, 2016, U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 2021, Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, 2020. Now on to our photos. As you can see here, this is corn without the husk, making it easy to eat after you boil it or cook it or whatever you do with the corn. This is the corn, well, still kind of in the husk, which makes it hard to eat. This is GMO, genetically modified organism. Quit it, Devin. This is a corn container used for storing corn after harvesting. This is fresh pickled daily sweet corn. It is fresh. Thank you for listening to our presentation by Giovanni Carney and Devin Larson.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode of GMO Sweet Corn with Devin Larson and Giovanni Carney. See you next time.